full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Happy weekend. It's weekend, and happy weekend. Good afternoon from here, wherever you are watching me from. Good afternoon. And if today is your first time of seeing this face, my name is Sarah. I live in Italy. I film about flat tummy beauty and lifestyle. Okay, all right guys, so on today's video I'm going to be doing a review about this cream. I made a video on YouTube about 2 weeks ago. I make a video, and somebody wrote me and somebody should do a review about brown skin girl, like any cream that you can use when you have a brown skin. You know, you are dark skin, which is called tunic color or caramel color. Okay, all right, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you this cream that I use, and this cream is really good. And trust me, if you are a caramel color, you are a brown skin girl, this is the best cream for you to use. This cream does not cause stretch mark, it does not cause sunburn, it does not cause anything. Okay, this cream is just too natural, it's just too good to use. Most of you might have seen it, most of you might have used it, but I've used it, and the thing is really good for me, so I'm still using it, and it's really good for my body. I love it. It's not giving me stretch mark, it's not giving me dead skin, it's not giving me any dark knuckles, it's not giving me anything. So I decided to share it with you guys. You might see it on review, you might see a lot of people doing a review about it, but this is my review about it, and this is what I use, and it's really good working for me. It does not cause pimples. Don't look at my pimples, the pimples on my face. These pimples has been there for so long. Okay, it's even going down now because I'm missing something, using a lot of natural ingredients to clean it off. Okay, so it does not bring out pimples, it does not bring out stretch mark or any other thing. Okay, all right guys, so a lot of you might have seen this cream, this QEI+PARIS Privilege. Okay, this, especially this one that is called Privilege, okay, it's written in Spanish. Okay, it's a Spanish cream. They made it in Spanish, and guys, trust me, this cream is really good, and the cream is very affordable. Do you know the good part of this cream? This cream, you can use it for your face as well. You can use it for body and use it for your face. This cream is a set cream. It has soap, it has tube, it has oil, it has everything. But trust me, you can decide to buy only this cream and be using it for your body without missing it. It's going to be good and perfect. I'm using just this one. I only mix it with oil, normal oil, just normal oil. You can buy any oil to mix it. It's going to be perfect for you. Okay, so this is what I use for my skin. If you're a brown skin, if you're a caramel color, if you're a tunic color, this cream is going to be the best cream for you. You can use this cream, it's going to be good for you. As you can see, this one is finished. It's really cheap. I look at the amount. It's cost 30 euro. I bought it 30 euro. So yesterday I bought this new one yesterday as well. Okay, so I bought this one as well yesterday. This one is the new one. This one is finished. So for you to know that the cream is really good. I love this cream. This cream is really nice. So if you are a tunic color or caramel color, you can go for this cream. It's going to be good for you. It's going to be perfect. It's not going to give you anything on your body. It's going to make your skin to shine. You can decided not to miss it. You can decide to miss it. For me, I don't miss it. I mix with only oil. I mix it with this oil, exactly this oil. I forget the oil. I mix it with exactly this QEI oil. The oil is cost 5 euro, while this one is cost 30 euro. So you can buy it and you can afford it. It's really cheap. It's good. If you want to buy from Nigeria, it's the same amount. Nigeria is 25,000 thereabout. So here is 30 euro thereabout. So The cream is really nice, guys. It's really good. I've using this cream and it's really working for me, and a lot of people have been asking me to do a review about brown skin girl cream. So if you are a brown skin girl, this one is good. You can go for this one. It's really going to work for you. Okay, all right guys, so thank you all so much. I just want to do a quick review about this cream. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you. To my whole subscribers, thank you. To my new subscribers, thank you. And to those that have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. To all my membership, a very big shout out to you all. Thank you all so much for still being my membership, for still being there for me. I appreciate you all. If it's Success, Daughter of God, Mary, Mirabel, to all of you that have God's Love, Jassy Reaction, Food, thank you all so much for joining my membership. God bless you all so much. A very big shout out to you. Please, if you come across this video, please help me to share, subscribe and like. And those that I just made sure, if it's Success, God's Love, Daughter of God, which is Chisandra, Mirabel, Santo Family TV, thank you all so much. Lady Sherry, thank you all so much. Please, if you don't have these people that I just made sure, don't forget to subscribe to them. They have a very nice, very good YouTube channel that you are going to love. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much. See you all on my next video. Bye.